Kalimera. Today I'm in Kamini Harbour, motivated on my walk today by photographs posted on social media yesterday by Maria Hansen that's caused a bit of a stir, and people want to know what's happening with the white stuff in the sea. So I'm here to speak to the engineer who's responsible. Yasu Petros, who is the engineer who is responsible for all of this. Can you tell me, how does the white fabric work?
Προστατεύει από την να μην έρθει η άμμος, να μην αφαιρεθεί η άμμος και φύγουν οι πέτρες.
Okay, so it stops everything from being washed away. And will it be covered, all of it will be covered by these big stones?
Yeah.
And if we look at these stones, they are huge. In fact, we can't see dokos anymore. So this is finished.
This finished.
And this will look like this.
Have,
the small ones. Yeah, right. So the white stuff is already there.
Yeah.
So all along here, will it be as high as it is here?
Yeah.
Wow, it's a big project. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for taking the time to talk to me. Γεια σας.
Αλέκο, μόλις καρπάρει αυτός μέσα. Μόλις καρπάρει ο πλαϊνός.
Τον έχω λάσκα. Πίσω δεν έχει στήσει. Είναι όλη δεξιά από το πλοίο.
Δεξιά όταν λες γιατί.
Όπως ήταν πρέπει εδώ.
Από εκεί, του Αμερικάνου δηλαδή.
Okay, and here's Jannis Kitsos, who is resplendent in his black close bodycon stuff. What are you doing, Jannis?
We put the white stuff to the rocks, and the name is geoplegma, geoifasma.
Yeah.
And after the other one, the plastic.
And
You see the other plastic?
Yes.
The green one.
Oh, the green one.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
The name is geoplegma.
Okay. And this is.
And after that, the rocks.
So-
Here's the stones.
Yeah.
When the stones finish, we put blocks down. 24 blocks. The one block is 40 tons. Very big, huge.
Oh my God.
To stop the stones, don't go down the stones.
To slide down, because it goes very deep out there, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
and we put blocks all the area here.
So it's almost like layers, steps,
Yeah.
getting closer
We
to.
put the leg down.
Right. So it's like a dam.
Yeah. To
Marvellous.
don't go down the stones.
It must be quite dangerous when you're down there. What if one of the
Yes,
rocks
because
slip?
40 tons under your head, it's...
Come on, don't get squished.
yeah.
This is about the only time of the year when you actually hear the sea. It's kind of pushed along by the wind. And as you can see, Jannis in there, and he's tying the sides of the sheets together. And this is on top of the smaller rocks that they've already loaded. And then it's covered with the fabric sheeting, which is like the canvas. It's very, very thick. So it allows the water to come through, but it retains any of the debris underneath and the sand and the silt from actually being pulled away and undermining. And Jannis there making sure it's fixed on all sides. And then on top of that, there's this plastic netting which is added. And this netting is another barrier to stop it from being pulled away. And then later, the whole of this area will be covered with the large stones that have already been placed on the other side. That chap there is keeping an eye on Jannis to make sure that he's safe. This time of the year it's actually quite boisterous in the water. This is a really good illustration of why this project is necessary, because during the winter what people don't realise is there's an awful lot of wind current. There's current in the Mediterranean, but not like it is from the Atlantic, for example. But it is enough to undermine the wall around the harbour. So it's very, very necessary that this project is completed. it now. Whoopa. Oh, bravo! I think they must have done this before. Okay, and Jannis is clipping the sides together with those little pull ties, which should hold it in place firmly enough so that they can then put the rock on top of it. This is not the easiest job that you could ever get. Okay, so now they've attached the end. They're going to roll it the full length. So they're rolling it a couple of meters and then Costa's tying it to the one that's already there. And hopefully Costa won't get too wet. And all of this work is carried out to protect this beautiful, beautiful little harbour of Kamini. So, for a very busy Kamini, it's goodbye from me, and we hope to see you soon.